Hey guys, welcome once again to Driving TV. Here I have prepared a little something for you guys. As a beginner driver, adopting good driving etiquette is very important in order to maintain safe driving and have an enjoyable driving experience, as well as to navigate the roads. So let's explore the key aspects of driving etiquette that you must know in order to begin your journey on the road. So I will show you this amazing slideshow that I made just for you, and I really hope that you guys find it very useful. Say no more. Hope it makes you feel confident. Let's dive in. Alright, so let's begin with using turn signals effectively. So using turn signals is a fundamental aspect of driving etiquette. It not only promotes safety by making your intentions clear to others, but also contributes to a smoother flow of traffic. And here you can explore the significance of turn signals, how to use them effectively, and the common mistakes to avoid. Yielding and understanding the right of way are fundamental aspects of driving etiquette. So by navigating these situations correctly and going over them, you'll contribute to a smoother and safer traffic flow. Here, basically it explores and explains the principles of the right of way, common yielding scenarios, and how to handle them with courtesy and feel much more confidence. So now let's talk about intersections, courtesy at intersections. So intersections are key areas where courtesy can significantly impact the flow of traffic and prevent accidents. So acknowledging other drivers and taking turns contribute to a positive and safer driving environment and experience. Here you can explore how small acts of courtesy at intersections can make a big difference in promoting harmony on the road. You can also take a look at this illustration right here, where you can see an example of what it would look like and who would go first and the right of way. So being mindful of emergency vehicle. Here's another very important one. Being mindful of emergency vehicles is a vital part of responsible driving. So understanding the importance of giving way and safely pulling over ensures a swift response for emergency services. Let's explore the etiquette here of handling emergency vehicles on the road to enhance safety for everyone. You can take a look at the common mistakes. Let's not forget. For example, blocking the road, preventing the emergency vehicle to pass is a no-no, as well as not slowing down or moving to the side. Respecting pedestrians, a commitment to safety. Respecting pedestrians is a fundamental aspect of responsible driving. Yielding at crosswalks and maintaining safe speeds in pedestrian zones contribute to a safer and more peaceful road environment. Let's explore here the commitment to safety when it comes to sharing the road with pedestrians. Maintaining a safe following distance. So maintaining a safe following distance is a crucial element of defensive driving. The 3-second rule is a simple yet effective way to ensure you have enough time to react to unexpected situations. So here it tells you the importance of this rule and how it contributes to safer journeys on the road for you. So take a look at the 3-second rule and the benefits of safe following distance, which is very, very important. So keep an eye out. Parking etiquette, mastering the art of parking. So aside from maintaining the safe following distance, parking etiquette is actually another very important one. It's not just about finding a spot, it's about respecting the space and needs of others. So let's explore here the art of considerate parking, from avoiding multiple spaces to leaving adequate room and respecting designated areas. Mastering parking etiquette contributes to a positive parking experience for everyone. I'm sure you will appreciate not getting a parking ticket or getting your car hit. So this is very, very important. Know where to park and the distance that you should have. keep this in mind. Traffic signs etiquette. So navigating the road with precision. This is another very important one because understanding traffic signs is essential, as well as adhering to speed limits and being aware of regulatory signs and interpreting warning signs. Familiarize yourself with the meanings of different traffic signs. Recognizing and following the traffic signs is essential for safe navigation. Pay attention to posted speed limits on the road signs. Adhering to speed limits enhances safety and reduces the risk of accidents. So, also being aware of regulatory signs. So, follow instructions on regulatory signs such as stop signs and yield signs. And these signs promotes safety on the road. So, also make sure that you are quite aware of interpreting warning signs, like take notes of warning signs indicating potential hazards, respond appropriately to ensure a safe driving experience. Night driving presents unique challenges that require extra attention and responsibility. In this section, you'll explore night driving safety, from ensuring proper lighting and reducing speed to avoiding glare and respecting other drivers. Illuminating the path responsibly ensures a safe and secure journey after dark. So make sure that you guys read each and every one of these. Pause if you need to, take notes. But this is very important. And let's not forget about the common mistakes, which is not dimming your dashboard lights to reduce interior glare, which that is a huge mistake, and also not minimizing distractions inside the vehicle to focus on the road, also a big mistake that you guys should avoid. All right, so handling emergency situations, the right action. So emergencies on the road can happen to anyone. In this section, we'll explore how to handle emergency situations, from a tire blowout to brake failure and unexpected obstacles. But staying calm, taking secure and safe action, and seeking assistance when needed are key to navigating emergencies with confidence. So keep an eye on each and every one of these bullet points because they're very important. Take notes because you simply don't know when you will have an emergency and need to remember what to do precisely at that moment. So here you go, dealing with tire blowouts, brake failures, and handling unexpected obstacles. Make sure to take notes like I previously said. And with that being said, let's dive right into merging and lane changing etiquette, which is integrating into traffic. That is very, very important because merging and lane changing requires careful consideration to maintain the flow and safety of traffic and avoid accidents, of course. So in this section, you're going to explore the etiquettes of signaling intentions, checking blind spots, and also working with traffic itself, yielding when necessary. Cooperating with traffic flow is another one. I mean, merge or change lanes smoothly without disrupting the flow of traffic, adjust your speed to merge, and maintain a safe following distance. I really, really hope that you guys found this helpful. I am planning on doing more. So if you like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thank you.